I'll show you how to create a smooth fade in animation for your text. This effect is perfect for adding a professional touch to your titles. First, head over to your timeline and tap the plus button to add a new text layer. Type in the text you want to display. Now, tap on your text layer and from the pop-up menu, select Motion. Here, go to the In tab, which controls how your text enters the screen. You'll find the fade option. Tap on it, and instantly your text will fade in at the beginning. To customize it further, use the duration slider. Slide it to the right if you want a slower, smoother fade, or to the left for a quick fade in effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a fade in text animation in VN Video Editor. Play around with the timing to match the mood of your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more VN Video Editor editing tips.